itself, except these wires in here are looking pretty bad. They're very crispy. As I touch them, they wiggle around and insulation falls off. You can see that. So I'd recommend the wiring in all three of these be replaced here pretty soon. Let's see, we have 3 beacons at this level. And the same condition here. Actually, somebody neglected to put wire lugs on those, so it's just bare wire. That's definitely not a good thing. So we'll go ahead and replace the bulbs today, and at some point I'd recommend looking inside this box and replacing the wire that goes to all 3 of these beacons. And we're going to head up to the top here in just a few minutes.